We all have a love-hate relationship with our bras. If treated well and worn the right way, they can enhance your body and outfit. But if not, can cause suffocation and discomfort. In this video, we are going to highlight common mistakes you might be making with your bras and easy ways to rectify them for a pain-free bra experience. Type bra in the comments below and we'll send you an easy bra buying guide. Start by hooking your new bras at the last hook and keep going tighter as it starts wearing off. This will make sure you get the perfect fit and your bra lasts longer. Not all bras will give you the desired look and comfort for a particular outfit. So pick your bras as per your most worn outfits. For example, a versatile multi-way bra can be ideal for your low back outfits. Wireless molded bras are great for a long day and a long night of dancing at a Sangeet function. Backless bras are great for an invisible look. Seamless bras are perfect for thin and clingy fabrics. Bras are the closest layer of clothing to your skin, which makes it super important for them to be cleaned every day. But what we don't often realize is that they contain elasticity, which needs at least a day to breathe and go back to its original shape. Overstraining the fibers may cause your bra to wear out very quickly. Tight bras are a big no for breast health. Apart from making you feel highly suffocated, they can also restrict the blood circulation and impair the lymph tissues. Since it might not be feasible to buy a new one right then, here are two easy ways to fix this problem. You can simply use a paper clip that will act as a space in between the tight bra band. Or get hold of a bra extender as it increases the width of the bra, making it comfortably loose. Most of us keep wearing a bra even if it has pilling, which when clubbed with sweat and humidity leaves your skin with painful rashes. The easiest way to keep this at bay is to use a razor to gently scrape the excess thick fabric. Try this and your skin will thank you. With all the focus usually on the fit of the bra band, we often ignore the fit of our straps. If they are too tight, they can cause blisters and rashes. And if they are too loose, they can keep falling off. For the most comfortable fit, make sure your straps are loose enough for 2 fingers to glide through. Just like all good things, even the lifespan of your bras come to an end after 8 to 9 months. Holding on to old ones can do more harm than good to your posture, blood circulation, and even the shape of your breasts. So remember to bid a goodbye to your bras and replace them with new ones. Your everyday bras can seem to provide a lot of support and comfort for your daily routines. But the bounce control and support you need during your exercise can only be provided by sports bras, as they have a lot of stretch and are designed to absorb sweat as well. This keeps your skin and breasts in great health. As a thumb rule, your bra bands should always be parallel to the floor. If you are sporting one that is riding towards your shoulders or way too below, could mean that your bra is ill-fitting and could lead to aches and pains in your neck and shoulder areas. We hope this video has helped you understand the do's and don'ts when it comes to wearing your bra. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.